Hi, my name is Adam, and I'm looking for a business development executive position within a fast-moving professional company. I'm an accomplished business development executive with a strong engineering background. In fact, I'm a civil engineer. In my current position, I facilitate and cultivate new business partnerships, collaborations, and communications between many high-profile clients and partners in order to expand the investment portfolio. I also have an advisory role in forming business partnerships and registering companies. This also includes engaging in contract negotiations and closing of deals. I've also provided legal counsel whenever needed based on extensive research in legal matters. In fact, I have drafted and reviewed MOAs, MOUs, and distribution agreements, to name a few. I also have the ability to translate documents in English and Arabic حيث يمكنني أن أتحدث اللغة العربية بطلاقة. If you're looking for a talented, focused, and fast-learning individual with exceptional presentation, technical, and research skills, then I'm your candidate. Thank you for your time.